Hey my harmonies, I'm back again with another $1 Shein press-on nails tutorial. They're super affordable and so easy to do, so if you guys want to know how to do your own nails at home, then just keep on watching. You're gonna want nothing on your nails, so make sure they're bare. Next, I'm going in with my cuticle softener. I got this one at my local beauty supply store. Everything that I am using in this video will be linked down below, and I'm just using a Q-tip to apply it on my nails just to be more sanitary. But next, I am going in with a cuticle pusher just to push back my cuticles and give my nails more of a cleaner look. Next, I'm going in with a cuticle trimmer and I'm just gonna cut off the dead skin and the excess cuticle. You can skip this step if you don't have long cuticles or a lot of dead skin in that area, but for me, this is something that I have to do. I'm just gonna do the exact same steps on the other side. When you're done with this step, you want to make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly to make sure that there's no oils, lotions, or any cuticle softener that's on your nails. Next, I'm going to be filing my nails down. Even though they're already short, for me personally, I just really like them nubby because I notice when they're nubby, they don't grow as fast underneath the nail, and it'll help my nails look way more cleaner underneath. Next, I'm going to use the rough side of this buffer and lightly scrape the top of my nails with it so it can help the nails stay on better. These are the press-on nails that we're going to be wearing, and I'm so glad that I found these because these are actually really good quality. I'm going to be using these gold and silver nail stands to put the nails on, and the putty that comes with the nail stand is for the nails so the nails can stick on. Some of you guys were confused about it in my past video, so that's why I had to address it again. I had got the stands with 2 different colors because I didn't want the nails to get mixed up whenever I'm doing them. Using these 2 exact products are going to help make the nails look way more realistic. These are the brand 𝐵𝐸 Base Gel and Top Gel. Since the nails are plastic and not as strong as acrylic nails, this is going to help them be more sturdier and actually look like acrylic nails. I'm going to cure them underneath the light for about a minute or a minute and 30 seconds. Moving on to the next stand, doing the exact same steps, we're going to be applying the base gel on to these nails first. After the nails are cured, we're going to move on using the top coat, and that's just going to seal everything because before using the top coat, the nail will be sticky because of the base coat. The base coat needs the top coat always. These are how your nails should look once they're done being cured. Now it's time to put them on, and I'm going to use my nail prep dehydrator just to make sure that there's no oils, literally nothing on the nails, so the press-on nails can actually stick on better. The press-on nails does come with nail glue stickers. I love using my Kiss nail glue. This is the pink one because it matches more with my natural nails. You can put the glue directly on the nail or directly on your natural nail, or do both. I believe with these nails it comes with 24 different nail sizes, so it will be super easy for you to find your nail size. I'm gonna definitely purchase these nails again because these are so Y2K coded and I just love how they look on my nails. The animal print, the flower print, like they're just really giving right now. I need to add moisture and hydration back onto my hands. They were so dry, but I'm going to be using my L'Occitane hand cream. This is the rose scented hand cream. It smells so good and it matches the theme that we have going on. The last step that we have to do to really give our nails like a salon-like finish is to add cuticle oil on our cuticles to lock in the moisture, and it will look like we got our nails done at the salon. That's always the goal. If you guys watch towards the end of this video, let's comment the nail hand emoji or a heart emoji because that lets me know that you guys really enjoy these types of videos. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this from me, and I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I will see you guys in my next video.